Hi, Tony Fennell again. Prime Motor Cars, Scarborough, Maine, your Sprinter guy. My cell is 978-764-1232. Want to show you this beautiful 4x4. You can see that beautiful grille, chrome grille with the emblem. It's a 2020 M2CA 4X, Mercedes-Benz 2500 cargo van, 144 wheelbase, 4-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3-liter turbo diesel, stock unit MS15264. And your alloy wheels with the Kumo all-season tires. A view right down the side of it. Just going to do this real quick so you guys can call me with any questions. Doors open 270. Sidewall paneling. Step bumper. Wood floor 60 rings. A lot of height. You can see that large infotainment system up front. We'll get to that in a second. Slider door opens right up. A view in through the passenger side. A lot of space. A lot of goodies in this one. The black leatherette interior, memory power seats, heated seats. And like I said, that large 10 1/4 MBUX, which is being held up in production right now. So this one already has it. So any of you guys would like it, it's in it. You can touch it. There's a mouse. You can talk to it. Overhead storage compartment with handles, and of course the handle on the door to help get in because it's 4-wheel drive. Tony Fennell, your Sprinter guy here in Prime Motor Cars, Scarborough, Maine. 978-764-1232 is my cell. Call me. I'll go over everything with you. Have a great day.